Very fast and easy how to hide the caller ID on your Samsung Galaxy A54 with the caller ID when you make a call. If you don't want the other person know which is the phone number from when it's being called, the other person is going to see privacy. If you want that to happen, you're going to go here to the telephone options and you must be here in keypad, not in recent, not in contacts. You have to be in keypad. Now you're gonna go to the three dots that are here in the top, go to settings, and you're gonna go down here to supplementary services, and then you're gonna select the first option called show your caller ID. This may work in almost all the phone providers, but maybe in another not. So you select this option, and by default it's in network default. If you put never, this is the option where when you call someone, that person will not know that who is calling. It's gonna appear like private phone. But the downside of that is that many people today do not pick up calls of someone that you don't know who is. Like, subscribe to the channel, and thank you.